also lie down onto your back with your feet together, hands by the side. Then inhale, bring your left leg up, bend the knee, hold with your hands and press the leg towards your chest. You can also practice this with different variation by bending the leg close to your thigh. Pavan Muktasana, wind relief posture, helpful for gas, indigestion and digestive issues. Inhale, lift the leg up 90 degrees and drop down, chain the leg. Inhale, bring the right leg up, bend the knee, hold with your hand, press the leg towards your chest. You can keep your leg straight or you can bend your knee. And inhale, raise your leg up, exhale, release. Inhale, lift your left leg up, bend your knee, hold with your left hand and press your leg towards the ground for a happy baby. Again, you can keep your leg straight or you can bend your knee. Happy baby, another great posture for gas, digestive issue, helpful for period pain, prostate or any other sexual issue. Inhale, raise the leg up, exhale, release, chain the leg. Right leg up, bend the knee, hold with your hand and press the leg towards the ground. You can keep your leg straight or you can bend your knee. Inhale, raise your leg up, exhale, release. Then bend your both knee. Bring the hands by the side on the ground. Inhale. As you exhale, drop the legs to the right. Look to the left. Inhale, lift the leg up. Exhale, drop them to the left. Look to the right. Inhale back, exhale, release, stretch your leg, shake them and turn onto your belly. Keep your hands under the shoulder. Then stretch your right arm out. Inhale, lift your left leg. Exhale, drop the left leg to the right. You can keep the leg bent or you can also do the same stretch leg. So either bent knee or stretch leg, whichever feels the best at this moment. Inhale back, exhale, release. Change your side. Left arm out. Inhale, right leg up. Either bend your knee or keep the leg straight. Drop to the left. Inhale, lift your leg up. Exhale, release. And stand onto your elbows. Palm flat. Elbows about shoulder width apart. Look forward. Variation of Makarasana. Helpful for your back. Inhale. As you exhale, go down to relaxing Makarasana. Forehead onto the hands and let go. You may relax at this point for 30 seconds to up to 1 minute. And then sit up whenever you're ready. Namaste.